我哋嘅租客 Kelvin 啦，你好似頭先佢話佢都想住20幾年咧，咁啊 turnover 係0，咁你嘅租金回報率嗰個真係非常可觀啊！成個地，譬如好似呢一間屋咁啦，成個 garage 呢個位後面成個 backyard 同埋前面呢啲全部都係我哋嘅，但係大家睇下有幾大，咁大到咩咧？你見到呢度呢個 area？成個都係咁，其實呢度個 lot size 都好大。譬如你當一個 driveway，譬如嗰度可以放到4架車嘅，見唔見到對面？所以你見到其實呢度咧，好明顯一定係一個靚少少貴啲嘅區嚟㗎啦。咁好似我哋而家呢一間咧，就喺 Richmond Heights 啦。咁啊，帶大家睇下我哋而家呢一間屋先。你見唔見到正常啲窗係2層，咁佢都有成3層。同埋再闊啲有3乘5，再嚟埋呢度睇 backyard，啊幾大？你影埋喺嗰邊。好，而家帶大家入嚟睇下呢間咁大嘅屋啦。Hello。Hi。
This is Miss Bonnie, the owner. And this is Miss Audra and Mr. Kevin.
我哋嘅租客 Kelvin 啦，你講佢件衫啦，呢個係一個好出名嘅大學喺 Ohio Case Western Reserve University。呢度佢喺間大學入面做啦，5000幾蚊一個月賺，咁佢個 rent 就1700蚊咯，所以係一個好靚嘅 label， 見到嘅收入係好唔錯嘅，其實。即係1年大概6萬幾蚊美金，一個月即係大概起碼4-5萬港紙。
Okay.
How is the neighborhood like?
The neighborhood is great. All the neighbors here have been here 27 years
Wow.
and over. They've raised their kids in these houses.
Okay.
They're retired. Mr. Chuck lives across the street. Him
Okay.
and Miss Annie and their daughter and grandkids. Mr. Jack next door. That's his childhood home.
Okay, wow.
And he bought it from his family,
Wow.
so he lives there. And everybody is the grandparents, and they've been in their homes
Wow, very
over
nice.
27 years and above.
Okay. So you plan to stay very long here too?
Yeah.
Okay. 啊咁，即係佢哋係租客啦。咁基本上呢度隔離啲人全部都係自己間屋咧，全部可能由好細個開始已經喺度住，或者係已經有晒一啲kids 喺度，都係住咗27年以上，好誇張。咁佢哋都諗住我哋租客好 long term 喺度住嘅，所以你揀啱一個區咧，其實本身你就可以一直有啲好好嘅租客，好準時交租。咁啊，而家交緊1700蚊一個月啦。咁呢度嘅租金其實每年都起嘅。咁如果繼續佢哋 keep 住喺度，好似頭先佢話佢都想住20幾年咧，咁啊 turnover 係0，咁你嘅租金回報率嗰個真係非常可觀啊！Let's take a tour of the house.
Take a tour.
OK。咁好似一入到嚟就係好舒服嘅一個 living room area 啦。你見到咧啲靚啲嘅區咧，真係唔同㗎。嗱，點咗蠟燭，好香，其實聞到。咁你見到其實佢哋佈置得好靚啦，係你見到係有生活品味嘅。你再嚟呢度睇下，譬如佢哋係有呢套 Hi-Fi 嘅 system speaker， 跟住你見到隔離好傳統啊，好多 disc 嗰啲喺度聽音樂，見唔見到？咁你又見到其實佢哋係真係好 take care 間屋住得好好咯。咁我哋去到頭先見到嘅一入到嚟右邊2間房啦，頭先上面1間房啦，都係3房1廁。好 standard 嘅 size， 咁佢呢度幾好嘅，佢隔開咗咧，好似一個 section 咁，係個廚房咁入到嚟，你見到佢哋嘅 dining table 啦。咁我哋嘅廚房最 standard 亦都係有stove 啦，有 fridge 啦，有洗碗機啦，各樣嘢嗰啲喺晒度 ，microwave 啊等等。咁我哋全部都供應嘅。好，咁你再入嚟睇下，其實佢一間房咧。個 size 就好大嘅，同埋好整齊。你見唔見到咧？通常啲有錢啲嘅地方在咧，啲人住嘅會整齊啲嘅間屋，你睇下。咁佢下面你見到就係2間好大嘅房啦，好明顯嘅房 size 係再大啲，同埋上面仲有1間可以睇埋呢間房，同埋一個廁所。Okay, let's go. 呢個係一間好大嘅主人房。好， 你見到呢個 area 其實佢個 walk-in closet 啦，全部 finish 晒嘅，好靚嘅木。咁呢個你其實美國人咧，特別 Ohio 呢邊啦，呢度啊好大嘅 walk-in closet 嚟睇下。其實特別 Ohio 呢度啲屋咧，好多都係呢啲屋頂嚟嘅，但係佢哋好中意嘅喎，覺得好舒服，即係好有感覺，好似我哋去旅行咧，去嗰啲特別溫泉度假嗰啲地方咧，咪全部個屋頂都係咁樣，跟住就自己有個 area 喺度呀。
It's like a little cabin up here.
Yeah, little cabin, yeah. 即係好似你去啲嗰啲黃石啊，嗰啲郊野公園嗰啲咁，專門都住呢啲體驗噶嘛。咁喺Ohio日日都住到，好開心。So why do you pick this area to stay?
We was looking all over, couldn't find nothing. Then we came up on this house,
Okay.
and we had to find something. So
咁你見到啦，其實最重要係咩咧？唔係話入面個 size 要係大到咩境界，最重要嘅係你見到有啲唔同嘅係呢一個 area。OK， 呢一個 area 就係塊地全部都係好大嘅，亦都係一個 high end 嘅 area。因為通常一啲貴啲 area 就係個 privacy 高啲，咁大家啲距離會遠啲啦，塊地亦都會大好。其實有好多人都係中意呢種生活，好似已經有自己有成個樹林嘅郊野公園咁，上面好似住 cabin 咁，好似呢度已經係 enjoy 緊呢啲生活。好似一入到嚟咧，呢個就係頭先講嘅好 standard 嘅心臟嘅一啲地方啦。你見到係齊整嘅，咁但係咧佢呢個咧就間開咗個 area。其實咧另外呢邊咧就好靚咯喎，佢其實係自己有一個自己嘅空間，啱啱間開咗。咁雖然呢個唔算一個好 finish 㗎，有張 sofa 喺度睇電視啦 ，enjoy。跟住仲有個細細嘅雪櫃，就應該喺度睇 football 我諗。跟住呢邊你睇下，佢哋會喺度。OK， wow nice。
yeah, there'd be so much light down here.
跟住喺度撐下台腳，好温馨啊！喺度有自己個 area， 同埋呢度其實大家嚟到好暖嘅呢個感覺。雖然佢冇油到嘅地下啦，嗰個牆冇啦，但係咧你見到佢上面就係成個已經加咗一層喺度，令到你睇唔到嗰啲木頭嗰啲 ceiling 嗰啲。咁你所以見到成個空間感覺係好靚嘅。係啦，你對比翻呢邊咧，就係正常係應該咁嘅樣嘅。如果未加一層 ceiling 喺度，好啊。所以呢個租客住得好好啊。跟住我哋即係亦都見到我哋揀嘅屋呢一啲區份，同埋希望我哋都係即係調查得好好啲租客，睇下佢哋今日居住嘅狀況啦。喺買之前睇下間屋空嗰陣，即係 goodbye 喎，咁啊揾啱個租客啦，證明我哋咁呢一個係一個好好嘅 good 嘅一個 review 啦，一個每年。